As a leading brand in the field of seepage prevention, for over 2 decades, our commitment has remained steadfast. We have always entered the field as advocates, exploring infinite possibilities for anti-seepage system solutions. At Tinhy, we continuously empower industrial upgrades through independent research and development, creating industry-leading knowledge and achievements. A dedicated team with ambitious goals focuses on the research and production of geosynthetic materials, integrating them into a diverse range of applications in both environmental protection and water conservation. Our aspiration to enabling ecological renewal is our answer to the challenges of our time. We value every conceptualization of anti-seepage system solutions, and we continually evolve the practice of digital solutions. By focusing on the challenges and pressures that concern our customers, we introduced over 20 advanced domestic and international production lines. Behind our full category industrial layout is the responsibility and vision of a leading brand in the anti-seepage field. From environmental protection to water conservation, agriculture, transportation, construction, and ecological restoration. Completing a project, establishing a monument. Our professional installation team excels under tough conditions, utilizing advanced techniques and top-of-the-line equipment to meet even the most rigorous site conditions. From the Belt and Road Initiative to a global perspective, from Tinhy of China to Tinhy of the world, we are continuously accelerating our expansion into international markets, building a global marketing and service system. Together with our global partners, we are writing a new chapter for bluer skies, greener mountains, clearer waters, and a better life.